blessings to everyone. Welcome back to my garden. So on today we are going to harvest some potatoes. Yay, I am so excited. So it's been a little over 80 days since we planted our potato seeds, and the leaf part of the potatoes, they have all withered and dried up. So when that happens, the potatoes are supposed to be ready. So we're gonna go harvest to look to see what type of potatoes we got, if we got anything. So we're going to see what type of harvest we have. I'm so excited. All right, so if you look over here, you can see that all the potatoes have dried, the plant part. So we're gonna see what we have available. So I'm gonna start with this one to see what we have. Oh, we got a potato right there. Oh, we got another potato. We got a little one, some little bitty ones in here. Oh, look at that. We got another one. Yay, I'm so excited. Let me move the camera down just a little bit so you guys can see what we have coming out. I'm so excited. We have some potatoes. Yay, yay, yay. Let me get this camera fixed. I'm so excited. Oh, wow, look at this. We got more potatoes. Yay! Oh, we got some more. I am so excited. Let me get down in here. See if we got any more in here. Oh, look at this big one. Wow. Yay. Let's see if we got some more in here. That might be it for this one. I'm so excited. So excited. So I'm going to check the other ones to see what we have over here. And then I'll go back to that one as well. Oh, we got a little bit of it. Ah! We got potatoes. Yay! Excited. Last year when I planted potatoes, we didn't get anything in the grow. Oh, we got these purple ones. Some more. Happy. I need to get my little thing to go deeper down in here. But so far this is what we got. I'm gonna get my little thing, shovel, and go a little deeper. So I'm gonna check this one over here. Ooh, look at you. Right here, very small. Oh, there goes. Got some bigger ones. So this is my. All right, so this was my first time planting potatoes in a box. So planting potatoes in a box work. I have a little harvest. I'm gonna go back through and dig down some more, but so far so good. We have a nice little harvest here. Looks like it may be about 3-4 pounds of potatoes. So I'm excited and happy about this harvest. Last year when I tried to grow potatoes, I was trying in a grow bag and nothing grow. But this year I got a little harvest, so I'm excited and happy, and I'm looking forward to growing more potatoes. So if you ever thought about growing potatoes in a cardboard box, it works. So next time I do it, I think I will plant more potato seeds. In each one of them, I did like 1 or 2 potatoes. So next time, I'm gonna plant more. So God bless you guys. Thank you for, tuning in on my quick video today. I hope and wish you great success and that you continue to grow as you grow. Be blessed. I'm so happy.